I was basically falling asleep, severely exhausted.
I was trying to improve myself, trying to, feel better.
Mental cognitive thinking just wasn't sharp.
I just really couldn't find the energy to make it throughout the day.
Belly fat was coming on pretty strong for me.
My libido was gone. I didn't know much about my health. At first I was hesitant to come in because I thought it was going to be like going to another primary care physician. The lady I saw once a year that told me my blood levels that I put in the back of a junk drawer and didn't do anything about. So at first I was a little hesitant to come in, but I'm really glad that I did.
Any hesitation I had was immediately erased from the first time I came to the office.
When I first came to tee off, the wait was very short. Everybody was friendly. It felt like family. So,
coming to tee off, my experience here has just been exciting. The people here are very energetic. From the PAs to the MAs to everybody that comes around you, they're just fun. They treat you like family once you get to know them after a while.
My experience at tee off is absolutely fantastic. From the time I walk in and everybody knows me by name, I usually have a couple of the nurses or assistants that give me a hug, ask me about my family, ask me about my son.
The staff there was great, very professional. Jordan, Jessica, and the rest of the gang are almost like my friends now.
They got my T levels back within about 15 minutes. It was a very fast process.
Yeah, and all the rooms, they have sports themed rooms and they have TVs on the wall, so it's a real relaxed environment. You don't feel that white stuffy coat atmosphere if you go to a regular doctor's office.
I have a life. It's very, very different, very drastic. I went from being tired all the time at work, no matter how much I slept, no matter how good I ate, it didn't make a difference, to now it's like I'm back in my 20s.
From my journey with tee off, it's really helped me out with my gym life. I really wanted to do something good for myself. I'm 41 years old. I wanted to feel the best I could feel. I kept telling myself in my 30s, by the time I'm 40, I'm going to be in the best shape of my life. And I feel great. I feel like I'm in my 20s. I have more energy than I've ever had. And I have to thank Tee Off Men's Health for that, because they've really, really helped me develop that and keep everything in line with all my numbers and all my levels and my vitamin levels from everything else. They've just really done an awesome job in getting me to where I want to be physically, mentally, and everything like that. I feel absolutely awesome.
Yeah, I feel great. I mean, I feel like, I can go out and just do just about anything, because what it does is it builds up your confidence and your self-esteem. And I think that helps out in your interactions with your family, friends, the community, even in your profession. People will be able to tell the difference. I'm even able to bench my own weight at close to 62 years old.
Now that I'm in the clinic, I can't imagine life not coming here. My day-to-day is a lot better. I have more stamina throughout the day. I have more energy throughout the day. My wife loves it that my libido's back up. And I really can't imagine going through my day-to-day not coming here once a week.
With all that being said, I hope you guys all join the Tee Off family and book your appointment today.
Join the Tee Off family and book your appointment today.
Join the Tee Off family and book your appointment today.
Join the Tee Off family and book your appointment today. You won't regret it.